Danish supercar maker Zenvo is one step closer to launching its next supercar. It's called the Aurora, and the automaker will reveal 2 new validation prototypes at this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed. Zenvo will showcase the Aurora Tour, a grand touring variant of the model. The company will also have an Aurora Agil on display, the track-focused version of the car. John Gunner, Zenvo's CEO and CTO, said, "Aurora has been an extraordinary program for the whole team. Our focus has been on making every part of the car work harder, from the architecture and componentry to the V12 powertrain, the sound, the feeling, and the response from the driver's seat." Zenvo claims that the Aurora will have the most powerful V12 ever fitted to a road car. It is being developed in partnership with MAHLE Powertrains. The Zenvo Aurora will go on sale with a quad-turbocharged 6.6-liter V12 engine. The company says the engine has a targeted output of 1,250 horsepower with a 9,800 revolutions per minute redline, but that's before the company adds electrification. The automaker will offer the Aurora in 2 trims. Agil is the lightweight, track-focused variant that is still road legal, and the Aurora Tour is built on the same platform. The Agil will come with a hybridized 7-speed gearbox and a 200 horsepower e-motor for a total of 1,450 horsepower. The Tour adds to that with 2 independent front axle motors, which increase the output to 1,850 horsepower and gives the car all-wheel drive. The Tour will reach 62 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, according to the company, and have a top speed of 260 miles per hour. The Agil is a bit slower, needing 2.5 seconds to hit 62, with a 224 miles per hour top speed. Zenvo is limiting the production of both cars to 50 units each. Deliveries are expected to begin next summer.